are broke. You are tired. You feel stuck. But what if I told you in 90 days, you can become a new person? Not rich overnight, not perfect, but stronger, sharper, in control. This is the personal revolution, and it starts right now. The problem. Most people stay stuck for one reason. They wait. They wait for money. They wait for motivation. They wait for the right time. But the right time is never coming. The only thing that changes your life is action. Today. The mindset shift. Here's the truth no one tells you. You don't need more money to start. You need more discipline. Discipline is free. Discipline is a choice. And discipline, repeated every day for 90 days, can rebuild your whole life. This is not about luck. This is about systems. Phase 1. Days 1 to 30. Foundation. In the first 30 days, you fix your habits. Wake up at the same time, every day. Make your bed. Small win, big mindset shift. Move your body for 20 minutes. A walk is enough. Track every dollar you spend. No excuses. These habits cost $0, but they build the foundation for everything else. Phase 2. Days 31 to 60. Skill and money. In the next 30 days, you build a skill that makes money. Pick one skill, just one. Writing, editing, sales, coding, anything. Spend 1 hour a day learning it. Free resources exist everywhere online. At the same time, cut one expense. Cancel one subscription. Skip one unnecessary buy. Save that money. Every dollar saved is a dollar of freedom. Phase 3. Days 61 to 90. Momentum. In the final 30 days, you take action with your new skill. Apply for a job, pitch a client, sell something small, start a side hustle, even tiny. This is where the new you proves something to the old you. Change is possible. Why this works? This works because it's simple. It does not need money to begin. It needs you to show up every single day for 90 days. Most people quit on day 10. The ones who win are the ones who stay. The bigger picture. This is not just about money. This is about respect, self-respect. When you build discipline, you build trust in yourself. And when you trust yourself, no one can stop you. 90 days from today, you could be a completely different person. Stronger, calmer, in control of your money and your mind. This is your sign. Your personal revolution starts today. Day 1 is simple. Wake up early. Make your bed. Take a walk. Follow for day 2 of your 90-day revolution. Let's rebuild together.